on Shelter Island. Today is Sunday. So Shelter Island, and then I'll take all the way to the end of the island because I visited mostly all of it yesterday. I know, not yesterday, the day before. I was supposed to be doing this Saturday, but it rained all day, so I'm gonna go by myself to Sag Habor. So I have to take Shelter Island and then drive all the way to the other ferry, and then take the other ferry to Sag Habor, and then I will go to Southamptons. See, so it's gonna fill up my batteries anyways. She said it's really beautiful. I'll see what's up there and show it to you, okay? So I'll see you. This is we're arriving to Shelter Island. This is the little sort of village where there's Mary Fell. This is a market and a department store. It's really small. It's a very much like a coastal. But Mary Fell is nice because they have croissant, they have all kinds of stuff. This one is pretty full. Oh, they want me to come in. So I will come in. Wow, this is crazy. I'm in the ferry already. I just got here. So this is called Southern Cross, and so this is, well, Sag Habor is in 3 miles. Okay, so finally we are here. That is the Sag Habor. I guess this is the little downtown. I mean, the greenery it makes me think about Saint Agathe in Quebec, you know, because we're up north here, so it's really similar. But houses, they're really like full of details and so beautiful. I really like the architecture of the old houses. But the restaurant I went, which called the Page, which I was in the back, a nice little setup. The back page. The clam chowder, no. Won the 2018 fest. Well, it wouldn't win this year because it was bland and not enough clams, too much potatoes, cream. Oh my god. And then the tartare, the tuna tartare. You cannot mess that up so much. I mean, a little cilantro in there, a little bit of diced red onions would have given it crunch. It was sort of bland and really mushy, but it was well presented. But I wouldn't pay $73 to go to this place again. I had a glass of wine and I had a cappuccino, so that's gonna make my day. And I don't regret it. It was a nice setting, and I ate okay. You know, I was hungry, so it's done. All right. So, anyways, the thing is, I'm looking for a nice little local place in Sag Habor. If I don't find anything, I'm heading to the Southampton, to the art district. All right, see you later. This is Southampton. Again, it's big work in Toronto. Very touristy, and nice little restaurant, and I mean, great settings. Look how pretty this is. This is from the parking lot, and you get out on the street, and look at this beautiful. Oh my god, architecture is so beautiful. It's Wall Street, private residence. Oh, it's a co-op. Okay. So that's well maintained, very nice. All the houses are made with these cedars, and the details. That's a hair salon. But this is like a historical something. People, you see how beautiful this house is? Look at the architecture, it's cute. It's really nice. Kind of a nice Southampton Art Center. Very nice. Very, thank you. Beautiful. That is beautiful. This is the Southampton Garden and Outside Art Center. Sculptures and kind of like Southampton more than this is created only with paint, I guess. Huh? Really nice. It's like two glasses. He painted on one and put another glass on it, and it's like really cool. Really nice effect. There are antique shops and shops and shops till you drop, and shops again. Lots of shops. Really cute little place, restaurants and boutiques. It's, I don't know, more variety, more art. So they are public bathrooms. Look how cool this is. This is a thing, and they put flowers all over. It's the style too of people. Wow, this is a beautiful park. Statues, and look at this. Whoa. It's really a nice park. Smell the fresh air, and oh, it's a theater. Theater at Sag. Okay, that's a theater. That's fun. It's very good. Actually, there are some names. Caesar Augustus. You can see the name engraved. This was this guy. Alright. Look how cute this alley is. There's boutiques in the back. Arts gallery. It's closed now, but it's a beach store. It's now closed. Hampton, New York. Oh, well, look at this. There's a nice little bar here. I didn't see that. This is cute. I'm going to go there. So this is the last time Shelter Island. How are you doing? Yay! What a beautiful day today. Look, that's where I'm sitting right now. My door is open. I'm in the parking lot at a ferry to go to Greenport, but I'm not gonna take the ferry tonight because here I have the right to sleep in here, and there's bathrooms open 24 hours. Look at my view. This is what I'm looking at. So it's really worth it to spend the night here and not to worry where to park, whatever. So it's my second night here actually. I was here the day before yesterday because yesterday was very rainy. I couldn't do anything, but today did everything. I did go to Shelter Island again. I drove all the way to the end of the island, and I took another ferry, 4 minutes, $20 going and coming, so it's like $20 for a round trip. And I did enjoy Sag Harbor, but it's beautiful, you know, it is, but it's very small and it's like commercial, you know, like it's very touristic. Then I drove about, I would say, half an hour to Southampton. Southampton. It's a word, one word. Southampton. Wow. I really like this city. And it's very artistic, very artsy. There's a art center with a beautiful garden in the back and on each side. It's really the city that I really liked the most. There's no problem. And tonight it's not hot. It's really pleasant. The breeze is beautiful. It's coming in the van and I'm really enjoying it. So I think it's going to be a good night tonight. Anyways, that was really a pleasant day. Incredibly detailed architecture. It's really nice. I mean, I've seen Louisiana and I love Louisiana. It's something else, you know, like it's something else to see here. I'm telling you, it's its own style. I keep saying that it reminds me of Saint Agathe and Mont Tremblant when you go there, you know, like the greenery and all this, but the architecture of the houses here on the coast is completely their own, with the cedar shingles and the how the structure and all those wrap around. It's really, really beautiful, very peaceful too. And it's really laid back, you know, here in Greenport, in Shelter Island, and Sag Island, and uh, Hampton. Southampton is it's very laid back. It's not like South Miami, you know, like, ugh. This is really laid back and very nice, you know, like no violence, no, you know, it's really cool. I really enjoyed it. So I recommend, if you ever come to Long Island, you have to see Greenport. You have to see Shelter Island just to make a beautiful bike ride, to see all the water, all the coastal areas, and not areas as much as like, you know, estates, and how beautiful the greenery is and nature. I really recommend it. Sag Harbor, yes, if you like to shop, if you like to go in little restaurants, and you know, how many restaurants can you do? But if you like to shop, if you like to, you know, to browse around, it's fine. In South Harbor, there's plenty of room to park, and it's all free, and it's 2 hours. Same thing in Sag Harbor. It's 2 hours, but there's less parking, and it's crowded with tourists. In Hampton, it was less touristic. I found there are some tourists, but it was less. It was more. You could see that they were more like locals. That, you know, yeah, beautifully dressed too, linen. I thank the creator of this universe too. So I have this important opportunity to see how beautiful this world is. I really am grateful. See, coming to get me. And there's a ferry every like 20 minutes, or 15 minutes. There's like one going and one coming, and I think there's 3 of them or 4 of them. But this is the view, and this is my breakfast. Some nice syrup, and I'm making my coffee. So I got some water in my coffee. My coffee is brewing here, right here in front of this beautiful view. Oh my God, it's like having a house on the water. That's why I'm doing the coastal. I just always dreamt having a place on the water, but you know, with today's weather and all this, yeah, with a van it's easy. You just get out of the trouble, you know, when it's trouble in sight. So I'll see you on the other side when I take the ferry to go to Connecticut. So this is my friend's house where I spent a little time with her, and it's a very cute house. It's right on the water. Look at this garden. It is beautiful. And the water is right behind there. It's really a beautiful house. Hey, ready to go to Connecticut? This is the point of the North Fork of Long Island, which is after Greenport. It is huge. It is beautiful.